So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make your comments. I will not watch out for it. Also follow us on Telegram if you've never followed us. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So I'll put the link to the Telegram channel. Follow us on our Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now let's back to this our gold. First of all, we can see that there was a prediction to the downside on gold, right? We talked about gold dropping to a level of 1810. Gold has eventually dropped to a level of 1810. Then from that 1810, the prediction was that gold will give us a massive bullish move to the upside to come to tap this our trend line, right? And guess what? That is exactly what we had. This was about 10,000 pips movement to the upside that gold literally gave us. Our prediction was absolutely correct. Now we've gotten to this level. So if you also see, I literally talked about that there's still strong possibility that gold will push to a level of 1946. Currently, we are trading at 1924. So yes, there's a strong possibility, or will I say probability, that gold will be pushing to a level of 1946. So as at now, gold is still bullish. There is no setup or there's no indication that gold will start dropping. Right now, gold is still pushing up. So we all know the rules of trading, which is trade with the trend and not against the trend. So basically, gold is still an uptrend move. So basically, we still need to see more movement to the upside. So all we just have to do is see if probably today we can break above a level of 1931 or 1930. Possibly there's possibility, or will I say probability, that we will tap a level of 1930 and possibly break above it. Hopefully we break above it today. So come to a level of 1930, then we'll possibly break above it. So that is what I'm watching out for. Our bias is still to the upside on gold. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section.